how you doing? I'm Reggie Watkins, your host for ActorsPodcast.info. Not .com, info, I-N-F-O. Get it right. And welcome back to Nutrition for Actors by certified sports nutritionist Christine Avanti. When it comes to nutrition, actors are a lot like athletes. Both must strive for top physical health. I mean, look at me, I'm striving, right? I'm striving. We know that nutrition is not easy. As a passionate researcher in the field of nutritional science, Christine Avanti is here to share with you the first key to top physical health. And what is that, Christine? A good breakfast. Christine, why is it so important that we eat breakfast? I mean, I find myself often skipping breakfast, or when I do eat breakfast, I eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Count Chocula.
Breakfast is a very important meal because obviously the night before you've been fasting. Your last meal was maybe 8, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours before that. So when you wake up in the morning, your blood sugar levels are low. Now when blood sugar levels are low, the body is breaking down muscle tissue and liver tissue for fuel. Now when the body's breaking down muscle tissue and liver tissue for fuel, what that means is it's breaking down its metabolic machinery. Liver tissue and muscle tissue are very metabolically active, meaning they assist in speeding up your metabolism or slowing it down.
You might be asking, what are you talking about, boy? What does this mean? It means that if our blood sugar goes above or below this range, it can result in fat storage, just what we don't want. Ew. If we're busy like myself or Christine, you don't always have the time to eat breakfast. As Christine explained, that is not a good thing. Starving ourselves is not the way to lose weight. Trust me, and trust Christine.
The key to losing weight is to stabilize that blood sugar by combining a protein with a carb and eating every 4 hours. Now your portions matter a lot. You can't have a big plate of pasta and just a little bit of, meat with that. You have to balance it out. You need to have a fist size of pasta, that's the portion size, about 1 cup, and then a palm size of protein. But you need to eat meals like that every 4 hours, and you will actually be amazed at the way your body looks in a couple weeks.
Remember, when we don't eat for long periods of time, our brain is not getting what is required, glucose, for the day. At night, when our need for fuel is stronger than our willpower could ever be, we cave in and eat sweets like Miss Piggy on a breakup binge. And that is disgusting. When we drink that Frappuccino or eat a bunch of sweets on an empty stomach, our body gets flooded with glucose. Insulin does the job of clearing away blood glucose extremely well, and soon blood sugar levels are low again. That's when we find ourselves feeling hungry again 1 or 2 hours later. Like you just ate Chinese food, you know that feeling? Okay, so the bottom line is that we need carbs every 4 hours. If we don't eat a balanced breakfast, we deprive our systems of glucose by eating too few carbs. Remember Christine's advice. Within 1 hour after waking up, we should eat a balanced breakfast, which includes proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. Then throughout the day, other small, balanced meals every 4 hours. The result is blood sugar that is never too high and never too low.
I'm Christine Avanti, and remember, when you take my nutrition advice, you're not only going to like the way you look, but you're going to love the way you feel.
Be sure to join me next webisode of Nutrition for Actors, where Christine Avanti speaks to us about weight loss. Until then, I'm Reggie Watkins, ActorsPodcast.info, that's I-N-F-O. Thank you for joining me. As Christine says, with good nutrition, you will love the way you look and love the way you feel.